In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Canva. If you're working on a Canva design and need more space for another section, slide or layout, adding a new page is very quick and easy. This is especially useful when you're creating presentations, social media carousels, worksheets, planners, or any multi-page design. I'll walk you through the simplest ways to do it so you can choose the method that feels most convenient for you. To begin, open your Canva design. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to insert another page. Once your design is open, look toward the area below your current page. In that lower section, you'll find the Add Page option. Click on Add Page and Canva will instantly create a brand new page for you. This new page usually appears directly after the page you're currently working on, which helps keep your design organized and in sequence. There's another place you can do the same thing. Move your attention to the top right area of the current page. In that section, you'll see three useful options: Lock, Duplicate, and Add Page. The Lock option is helpful when you want to prevent elements from being moved by accident, and Duplicate is great if you want to copy the current page and keep a similar layout. But if you want a fresh new page, simply click Add Page there. This is a handy method if you prefer working from the controls attached to the page itself. You also have a right-click option, which can be even faster once you get used to it. Just right-click on the page and a menu will appear. From that menu, select Add Page. This is a good choice if you like using quick access menus while editing, because it helps reduce extra movement around the screen. And if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Canva gives you a fast option for that too. Press Ctrl+Enter, and a new page will be added right away. Shortcuts like this can save time, especially when you're building longer designs with multiple pages. So, whether you click the Add Page button below the design, use the top right page controls, right-click and